All right, this video is for Mike Kaplan. Mike, thank you for showing interest in our solderless RCA cable system. I appreciate you being willing to have a discussion with me, to hear me out on various explanations to your, frankly, accusations on our product that you've never had your hands on. You asked me to make a quick video showing the resistance of a completed cable, and as I said I would, here I am. I have a cable here. You asked for 10 feet. I'm at my shop right now, not the warehouse, so I don't have the full rolls here, but I have about a 7 foot length. I figure that should be enough for you. I have my meter here. I'm gonna light it up just so you can see it better. Test the leads. Fluke leads, by the way. We're at 0.0 ohms, and we have our cable. Let's get to work. So I'm just going to trim the edges or the ends first, just to make a nice clean cable, as we should start with. I don't have my glasses on, so this is a little tricky to see in here. And all right, first set screw backed out, put it right in, push the cable in, and tighten it down. We want to make sure we go all the way down. And there it is. First connector done. Second connector. Loosen her up. And put the end on the cable. Make sure we seat it nice and tight. Tighten down the set screw all the way, very important to do. Whoops. All right, and just like that, we have our 2 RCA ends completed. I know you said soldering is fast, but no, it's not. At least not like this. Nothing is this quick and easy and serviceable and reliable, So anyways, on to testing resistance. By the way, I used the female RCAs on this so I could easily insert the lead without trying to awkwardly hold the lead to a male end. So here we go. Essentially 0 impedance, 0.0 ohms once it settles. Let me turn this back on. This light times out after about a minute of inactivity. And we'll do the outer shield. And just like that, 0.0 ohms. Mike, I really appreciate your interest. Just gonna show you again how easy this entire system is, also to be serviceable. So here, end removed, and cut, and reinstalled. Whoops. And back on, and we'll test it again. One end in, other end in. 0.0 ohms. Make 3 connections that fast with a soldering iron. Make 1 connection that fast. One finished cable. You can't. These are super easy, super reliable, super repeatable, serviceable. They look good. I don't know what else you want from me. I'm just a small business owner who's trying to provide the very best products for people that care about their sound systems, specifically car audio sound systems, but these are also very commonly used in commercial and home audio. Again, I just do my best to provide the absolute best products for, specific product categories. And to me, as a decade plus high-end car audio installer, these have been the best, most reliable, easiest to use, relatively inexpensive cables I've used to date. And it's all I've been using for the past probably 3 or 4 years now. So yeah, I would appreciate it, more so if you approach small businesses like mine with, you know, maybe curiosity as opposed to accusations, you know, would really just be better for everyone in general. Thank you for watching.